Hey, let me show you how you can transfer data between your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and your PC. In this video, I'm actually using the HP laptop with the Windows 11, but it looks the same for the Windows 10 or any other brand. So first of all, on your Samsung, you have to go to the settings. You have to actually scroll down until you find About Phone section. You have to move into the software information, and you have to keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer options. Then you have to go back, and the developer options appears just right here, so open them. And now from this, you have to actually enable the USB debugging. Click OK, and now you have to plug the cable into your USB-C port. There we go. Now the second end of the cable you have to for sure plug into your PC. And now I'm gonna actually bring this PC screen right here. When you get this notification on your Galaxy, click Allow to access the data transfer. And now you have to open this folder and open your PC. Go to this PC. And now you have to open your Galaxy A35 5G. Open your internal storage. There we go. And now, if you want to transfer something into your Galaxy, for example, I want to select these screenshots and I want to move them into this folder. So I have to click and hold, drag, and then release. And I will actually copy these two items. You can do the same with the music, with photos, pictures, videos, wherever you want. As you can see now, I can find these files on my Samsung. And if I want to transfer stuff from my Samsung into my PC, I have to also select this and then move into any destination, for example, straight into the desktop. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.